As you grow your Forever business, you will learn more about Forever's 4 Core. 4 Core is a way to measure your business growth and ensure that your business is growing in a stable, balanced way. The elements of 4 Core include recruitment, retention, productivity, and development. Recruitment refers to anyone who sponsors into your business in a month with a purchase. This activity is what begins to really unlock the earning potential of the Forever marketing plan. Networking, speaking to contacts, managing your leads, presenting the opportunity, and helping your new FBOs get started all help support your recruitment. Retention refers to anyone who orders that is not new to your business. This is measured by the number of FBOs in your business who are active and the number who have ordered in more than 1 month. To build a strong and lasting business, you must ensure that your FBOs stay engaged with the products and Forever opportunity. Following up with your customers and helping your new FBOs develop a 4cc retail volume will help to support retention in your business. Productivity refers to the total wholesale value of the retail, novice customer, and personal orders in your business divided by the number of people ordering. Productivity is important because it builds active case credits and retail profit of up to 48%. Satisfied customers also make great FBOs and could potentially join your business down the road. Staying focused on productivity directly contributes to the growth and stability of your business by promoting personal use, retailing, and the personal sponsoring of new FBOs. Sharing the products and showing your team how to do the same will help to support your productivity. Development refers to FBOs in your team moving through the marketing plan levels and achieving incentives. This includes the training and support of your downline with the goal of helping them advance in the marketing plan. Developing strong leaders in your organization is the way to ensure that you access leadership bonuses and residual income. Important activities for development include spending time demonstrating, instructing, and motivating your FBOs to advance into leadership positions within the marketing plan. This includes identifying those in your group who are serious about the business, planning a growth strategy, and providing effective mentoring to help guide them to success. To build a stable business, focus on each of these areas: recruitment, retention, productivity, and development, and their related activities equally. The results will be a balanced business that will build the foundation for reaching your goals.